Okay, I got me another piece of that plywood. I had another piece left over. It's 15 inches wide. I think it's 26 inches long. I'm gonna make me a little Star Wars trivia thing. I'm gonna carve out Star Wars and some Darth Vader. So sit back and watch. Now we might have to paint a couple coats on here. It's just do it to your liking. Okay, I've got it painted. We'll let this thing sit overnight. Okay, let it dry overnight. I think it looks pretty good. I'll put another coat on the Star Wars here. So I think we need to do some sanding here. So I just got some 220 grit on my sander here, and we'll sand the top of it. Wood conditioner on it, then we'll put some stain on it. Best to put your stain on in one direction, the direction of the grain. Okay, I've got a nice coat on it, and I'm going to let it set for a little while so it soaks up real good. Then I'll wipe the rest of it off. We'll see what it's going to look like. I think it's looking pretty good. I remember going back and seeing the first episode of Star Wars in 1977, so I've been a Star Wars fan for a long time. We'll let that set then for a little while. That's it. We'll wipe off the excess here in a little bit. Okay, I wiped the stain off and everything. Now we just let it dry real good overnight, and then we'll spray a coat of clear coat on it. Okay, this is what it looks like hung up on the wall. Star Wars, Darth Vader, Sith Lord. I think it turned out pretty good.
is our plywood. Thank you for watching.